In the garden, fresh and sweet, yummy fruits are good to eat. A red apple, crunchy and round, best little snack that can be found. A yellow banana, soft and sweet, peel it up for a tasty treat. Oranges, juicy and bright, full of sunshine, such a delight. Apple, banana, orange too, yummy fruits for me and you. Grapes and berries, sweet and small, healthy fruits, we love them all. Purple grapes in a little bunch, pop them in for a happy lunch. Red strawberries, sweet as can be, sharing fruit with friends and me. Rexi loves his fruit each day, healthy, yummy, hip hooray! Apple, banana, orange too, yummy fruits for